What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play In the End by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to powerbomb you off the turnbuckle like the man Stone Cold Steve Austin. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the first fret. There's two different parts to this song, if you want to call it like a verse and then a chorus. They use 4 different chords throughout the entire thing. The verse is 3 different chords and the chorus is 3 different chords. For the verse, you're going to start with an F major chord, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. And if you need any of these chord diagrams laid out for you, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's a great resource for anybody of all skill levels. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need it, jump into the video once you get done with the description. But first chord is F major, then B flat major, which is 0 1 3 3 3 1, and I'm not playing the low E or the high E, I'm just playing 1 3 3 3 on the A, D, G, B. Those alternate 3 times. And then you go to C, which is 0 3 2 0 1 0. That repeats throughout the entire beginning of the song until about, I want to say 55 seconds, when it changes to what you could call the chorus. You're going to go to D minor, which is 0 0 0 2 3 1. Back to C major, back to B major, B flat major. And then that just repeats until the end of the song, until the very last chord progression is the same as your verse. It's F, B flat major, C, and then it ends on that C. So I'm going to play through 2 times through what they play for the verse, and then I'm going to go 2 times through what they play for the chorus, and then I'll end on the verse the way that it does in the song. So this is what it looks like. So that's the verse. Then it jumps into the chorus with 2 down strums for each chord. Let that ring out. 2 down strums. Verse progression. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.